Hello people, today I've got the Abloy 342 Abloy Sentry. After I picked it, we'll talk about it, and also on this video we'll be talking about the giveaway, so I'll show it's all working. All works sweet. I've just kept it in there just for quickness. There's your key button for that one. So with this one, the last one was a 330, it didn't have a drill protection in it, well, it didn't have the deep recessed keyway, so obviously this tensioner fits this one, the 342, and also the switch, the tensioner around it fits the 330 as well. This pick and tip is what I'll be giving away, and the tensioner, and this Abloy 330 padlock. That's the giveaway I'm going to be giving. I can't, like, people's been asking us to make them for them. I haven't got the time, you know what I mean? They really are pain in the arse to make, so it's best just to do a giveaway, and it's fair for everybody, you know what I mean? I haven't got the time. And you've got to think as well, if you wanted one of these tips off Huxley Pig, you'd be looking at a couple £100, you know what I mean? But this is obviously not machined, it's handmade, you know what I mean? So anyway, see if we can get this bad boy picked up. Now I have picked this open. I've picked it open twice. It's sometimes I can get it quick, sometimes I can't. So first thing is to set the bottom discs. Set my bottom disc. Just make sure. See if I can get the tip out. So the tip seems to stick on the bottom, on that bottom disc. Right, out. Get the tension back on. Tension's on. Right. Just set these bottom discs first. We're on there. Start from the top. So let's get that there, just to get out of the top disc. See, with the thing is with the Abloy Sentry pick and tip, you really have to. It's not a case you can just stick it in the lock and pick the lock. You've got to get used to navigating inside the lock. So that's a skill in itself, I think. So let's click there. Click there. And that's set. Just check these bottom ones and make sure they are set. They're not got to be set. That is set. Go back the top again. Try not to. That's open. Getting it. That's open. Like I say, sometimes it takes ages, sometimes it doesn't. But that is picked. We'll just take this out if I can. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the bits off here so I can actually show you the picking tips and how to set them when you're setting the pick up into the lock. The best thing to do is put the tensioner in first, then obviously put the pick on. What I mean by that is, say you take the tensioner out, obviously stick it in the lock, turn it round, and then put that over the top and then tighten it up, and that's how you set it. And as you can see there is for your deep with your anti-drill disc in the 342, and that side is for your 330. There's some tube in the keyboard there centered, and there is your pick and tip there. Right, and this is the lock I'll be giving away, this 330. And this another thing I've noticed as well, this is it. It's a different profile. This will not fit. This profile will not fit in there, so you get two different profiles. So that's that's a new thing I've just discovered as well. So anyway, that's me yapping on and get this gutted. So that's the giveaway. I'm not on today, like I'm not on me. What is it? I'm not on form today, is it? As they say. Take this out, and hopefully camera is being working itself. So hopefully it doesn't go. Need a new camera. That's out. Next thing is to take the cap off. I'm just praying my camera does not cut out. And there's the anti-drill disc. Let's see if I can get this out in one go. That's the balls, and that is your innards. And as you can see, fully picked. Get that out. And that is your key cord on that side. I've digs of that. See it? So it wasn't a bad key cord for that. This one. And like you say, they're good fun, these Sentries. Like once you understand what they're all about. Alright, I'm just gonna keep the washer on and just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the profile disc at the bottom. That's just off the DWD-40, that. And that's your little. So there you have it. There is your 340 picked and gutted. I'll show you a couple of the discs on that as well. I'm still on time, and I find ones with false gates on. There, like I say, the false gates are not that. As you can see there, see them, they're not very deep, you know what I mean, they're not very good, to tell you the truth, really. Like I say, you do get the clicks off them on that, as you can see. Oh, and there's your, what I call it, I'll put that in there. There is your disc blocking thing, or whatever you call it. So there you go, that's your Abloy 3440 picked and gutted. And this is the lock I'll be giving away, this 330, and it's got a different profile plate, and as you can see on this, I'll show you, it will not fit into this one, look, it doesn't fit. And that's quite a good lock to pick as well. So what I mean is when you're setting your pickup, it'll fit into your sparrows as well, so you've got a sparrows that'll fit. I've shaved it down so it'll fit, so you just stick it in like that. Well, that side, because that's a 330, stick it in, turn it round, and then obviously put your sparrows pick over the top and tighten it up, and that's how you set it, you know what I mean. So, and there is your picking tip, what I made. Like I say, I'd love to make people's picking tips, if I just haven't got the time, but there is your picking tip, and this will work in all your Sentries. You know, you can laughing gear. So if you want to put in